Hello everyone, today we're delving into the world of CapCut, exploring its nifty background removal feature. This powerful tool lets you effortlessly cut out objects or people in photos, creating a stunning transparent background. Best of all, it's completely free and ensures your CapCut app is up to date, so let's get started. First, open CapCut and tap on View All button in the Explore page. Look for the background remover tool among the array of features. Select the photo you want to work on, and CapCut will automatically analyze and create a preliminary selection. Your subject is highlighted in green. If needed, use the manual brush and eraser tool to refine the selection. The Invert button lets you preview the final result. And there you have it, a quick journey through CapCut's background removal. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates. Until next time, bye-bye!